This mini episode of how to take a mud bath on a layover in Fiji. Here we go. Hope you enjoy. That's my buddy Nathan. Rebecca's in mid muddy right now. What's up, Rebecca? Say what's going on.
This feels amazing.
This is my first mud bath, and
I do it daily.
look at this.
This is part of my daily routine.
Gosh.
I wake up, I prime, and I fully lather.
There's CB.
First mud pie, a mud bath in my whole life. Ooh, bula bula bula.
Oh my god. So my buddy Nathan's a photographer. He's killing it.
Yeah!
Becca, you gotta do your face. You gotta do your face. Come on, Becca, you gotta do your face. Oh my god.
I'll do it.
All right, she'll do it. She'll do it. Oh my god, look at Cindy's face right now. She went all out. That is straight up.
Sit down a little bit. Yeah. Oh, get it all.
Get it. Let's see the transformation. So, I will say that this is impromptu. I wanted to just get straight to work on the, my book launch. But, having good friends to convince you otherwise. Erwin, it's the first, only time in Fiji. Let's go. And I did not expect to have my first mud bath. So, step one, get all the spaces. I think I'm missing a few spots here. Step two, there's a bath right there. And then step three is the nice, clean, clear, hot plunge. Step two.
Whoa, this is so slippery. Wait, did you get any?
Yeah, I got him.
That's ridiculous.
Imagine the perfectly warm.
There we go. No,
Yeah, it's a perfectly warm bathtub. Not too hot, not too cold. It's just right. But when you hop in, you've got about a foot of baby food that your feet are just submerging in. And that might sound gross,
weird as fuck.
but trust me, it's delightful. It just like sucks your foot in, like, and you feel like, whoa, like it's almost like I'm walking on the moon of baby food.
What's it like?
Weird as fuck.
CB, what's it like in this bath right now?
It feels muddy.
Yeah. There's definitely mud between my toes right now.
So pretty.
Feels really warm. It's like a very warm bath. Look at those. Did you just throw a duck face?
Yes. This is wonderful.
So this is the third step in the mud bathing process. It's a much warmer, it's amazing. This hot springs, it's about, I don't even know the temperature wise because I'm just not familiar with temperatures, but it's definitely warmer than the other bath. Nice, very warm pool. Less muddier, so we're gonna do this one, and let's go. The most important thing I'm realizing is when you have a long layover, find an awesome taxi driver who can take you to it, given the exact timeline. They know exactly how to get you to the next destination without getting you, like in Iceland, we did the same thing. We went to the Blue Lagoon during our layover. It's a great time. Always pack your swimming trunks if you think there's a chance of that happening. Oh boy. Final step in the process. Look how clean this pool is. It is ridiculously hot. It's the hottest one of the three pools, and it's crystal clear. We're clean and ready to go. Come on, we got a flight to catch.